Hello, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, bro.
Yeah. Everyone, please switch on your cameras. Oh, yeah. And sorry for canceling yesterday's session. I have gone through your test papers, and from that only, I have decided today we are going to practice questions, and we will physically type in the commands and check what are we getting wrong, where are we getting correct. Okay. So I want you all to start your EC2 instance as we would be practicing right now. I would be asking questions one by one to everyone. You have to give answer to it. Then we are going to execute that command if it is correct. And at the end of the session, you would be sending a screenshot of your history of the Linux system so that I would know for every question you have executed correct command, or if you have gone wrong in the first place, then second you have corrected it. Works? Everyone good with it?
Yes.
Yeah. So let's start. Start your EC2 instance. So after starting your instance, give me a thumbs up after you're done with starting it. Okay, Mansi has done it. Adnya, Prajot, Asauri, Avinash, Anuja, please do it quickly.
Sh Shantanu, I am going to back home. I'm in traveling. Just allow me a half hour. I will do that.
Okay, sure. Prajot, have you started the instance? Asauri, you?
Yes.
I actually have a question, Shantanu.
Yeah, go ahead.
How is it possible that we can know how much time is left for the free time that we have to use or launch the instance?
Sorry,
There's some
what
free
was your
time
question?
for AWS instance, right? There is
Uh,
some free time, right, that they give us to execute and launch that Linux instance.
right.
So how is it possible that we know how much time have been done or left?
Yeah, you can track the free tier usage. And for that, I believe you need to check the billing preferences for that.
Okay, in billing preferences. Okay, okay, I'll
Yeah.
do that. Because I forgot to stop the launched instance from the last time that we had the class.
Okay. No, that's fine actually. And you can set alerts as well. So it will alert you, you have finished 50% of your free tier or 25%.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay,
In total, you get 750 hours or 12 months,
okay,
whichever is exceeded first.
okay, I see. Okay,
Yeah.
I'll go through it and see. Thank you so much.
Yeah, sure. Avinash, Asauri, have you started the instance so we can
Uh,
start practicing?
yes, yes. Start.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So first question is to Asauri. Um, okay, what is the command we use to list all the files and directories in our current directory? I want to list all the files or contents of a particular directory at my current location.
Sorry, I can't recall.
Okay, Adnya, can you answer that? I'll repeat
LS
the
command.
question. Correct, ls command. Now, I want you all to execute the command so that we have a history of all the commands that we have created today, executed today, so I can cross check it with the test paper that I have right now set. So please execute the command so we can move ahead on second question. Now, Mansi, can you tell me how I can create a directory by the name Enterprising AI?
You use mkdir with the name of the directory enterprise.ai, and if you have to create it in some other file, then you can use absolute path after mkdir with the name
Correct,
of.
exactly correct. Now, please create the directory by the name Enterprising AI at your current location. Is it done, guys?
Yes.
Now, Prajot, can you tell me what is the command to know what is my present working directory?
And it's for that is PWD.
Correct. Please execute that command pwd. It is used to know what is my current working directory. Avinash, can you tell me what is the command to create an empty file by the name sample.txt?
Yeah, touch and the file name.
Correct.
Yeah, file is sample.
Yes, sample.txt is the file name.
Yeah, touch space sample.txt.
Correct. Touch is the command and sample.txt is the file name. Please create a file by the name sample.txt using touch command. Everyone. Now, Asawari again, what is the command to delete this sample.txt file? You're on mute. Please unmute yourself. Asawari, you're on mute. Please unmute yourself, please. No, it's showing you're on mute and we are not able to hear you. Okay, can Nancy answer this? What is the command to remove the file sample.txt?
Rm and then the file name.
Rm and followed by the file name. Correct. Please delete
Yes.
that file. Everyone, please execute the command rm and the file name that is sample.txt and delete it. Avinash, can you tell me the command that I will use to delete an empty directory?
Empty directory. So
Yeah,
yeah, rmdir space followed by the directory name.
correct, exactly. To delete an empty directory, we use the command rmdir followed by the directory name. Please execute this command and delete the enterprising AI directory. Adnya, can you tell me what command is used to delete a directory that has different contents inside it? The directory is not empty. What is the command to delete it?
I know about the one which has contents.
So yeah, I want to delete a directory which has content inside it. What is the command for it?
Sorry, no idea.
Okay. Prajot, can you answer this question?
Yeah, is it RMDIR, Python, RM, and Python?
Sorry, you are not audible actually.
RMDIR, Python, Python.
Correct. We have to delete it forcefully. So we would be using the options, and there are three options: R, V, and F. I have explained the meaning and usage of them accordingly. So we can use RMDIR or RM-RVF to delete it. Okay. Now just execute this command on any directory other than the other than the directories that contained important booting files. Have you guys executed the command RM-RVF? So can we move ahead, guys? Okay, now I want you all to create a file that has your introduction or any script of 100 lines or 100 lines. Please create a file with 100 lines inside it. And name the file as intro.txt. We are going to use the same command touch to create the file. After that, I want you all to insert the text inside it, which contains 100 lines. After completing it, please give me a thumbs up. Guys, please be quick. We don't have that much time. These are all basic commands and I want you all to execute them swiftly. Okay. Okay. Is the file created by the name intro.txt?
Yes.
Okay, Mansi is done. What about Prajot, Adnya, Asavari? Have you guys created it? Prajot, have you completed it? What about Adnya, Asavari, and Avinash?
Yeah, 1 minute. Just let me see.
Okay. Yeah. Adnya, have you completed it?
Sorry, your voice is breaking. I have
Uh,
network issues.
have you completed the task of creating a file by the name intro.txt?
I have logged out actually because I am having network issues. So I'll first just note down the commands and execute them after the lecture. Is that okay?
Actually, we have to practice it right now, and after as the lecture ends, next minute I want you all to email me your history so I can check.
Mm.
Yeah. So please execute the
But
commands during the session.
network issues.
Yeah. So most of you guys have completed it. So we would be moving on to the next question. That is, what is the command? Mansi, please answer this. What is the command to display the contents of intro.txt file without opening it?
Cat intro.txt.
Correct, exactly. We are going to use cat command to view the content of the file intro.txt without opening it. It will just display the content. We can go through it. Please execute the command cat intro.txt. Sorry. Have you guys executed this command? Viewed the content?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Now, Prajot, can you tell me how I can change the permission of this file to read, write, and execute for the owner and read only for others? I want the owner to have all three permissions, and group
CH
and
mode.
others should have only read permission. What is the
Yeah.
command?
Yeah. CH mode.
Okay.
701. Is it like
No, I want the group and others to have only read permission.
7?
Correct. Followed by the file name, right?
I understand.
Yeah, the correct command is chmod 744 if you're going to use octal method, followed by the file name. So 7, that is read, write, execute permission for the owner. 4, that is the permission for read permission for group, and followed by the next 4, that is the read permission for others. So the command is chmod 744 followed by intro.txt. Please execute the command so we can move ahead on next question. Now, Avinash, can you tell me how I can rename this file from intro to introduction.txt? What would be the command?
Like MV
Correct.
and then present file name, then the new name.
Correct. Exactly. To rename a file, we use the command mv current file name followed by the new file name, what we want to give it. Please rename the intro.txt file to introduction.txt. Now, Mansi, can you tell me what is the command to display the currently logged in user?
PWD.
That is for present working directory. I want to display the name of the currently logged in user.
Uh, I don't remember.
Anyone else?
Is it who am I?
Correct.
Whoever.
Correct. The command is who am I? You can remember it like the current logged in user is you, and you are asking who am I. So it will display the currently logged in user. Please execute the command. Now, Adnya, can you switch to root user?
Sorry, you asked to how to switch to root user, right?
Root user, correct.
Sudo -i.
Sudo hyphen. Adnya, please complete the command. What was the option you were saying? Sudo hyphen. Okay, I believe she is facing network issue. Once again, you complete the
Hello?
command. Yeah, Adnya.
Sorry, your voice was breaking. Can you repeat?
Yeah, what is the command to change to root user?
Sudo -i or sudo su root.
Correct. That is the command. Please execute this command and change the user to root user. Okay, so everyone executed that command and changed to switch to root user. Okay, Prajot has done, Mansi has done. Avinash, have you switched to root user?
Yeah.
Okay. Now my next question is, what is the command? Anyone can answer it. What is the command to display all the currently running processes? Anyone of you can answer it.
Yes, for the process to
Sorry, Prajot, you are not audible.
PS -AUX.
Correct. The command is correct. To know what are the currently running process, we use the command ps aux. There is no need to add hyphen, just a correction, but the command is correct. Please execute the command ps space aux. Now, yeah. Adnya, can you tell me what is the command to know, like, sorry, if there is a command, I don't know what is the usage of it, and I want to know what is that command, how we are going to use it. I want help from the system. I know a command name, but I don't know how it is used. What are the different options associated with it? And I am asking the system, can you please tell me what this command is? So what would be that command to know that? Sorry?
Hello, I'm really sorry, but the voice is cutting out a lot. I didn't get it.
If you know, you can type in the answer in the text box.
I'm just not getting the question because the
Okay, I require help from the system. I know a command, but I don't know what is the use of it. What are the different options associated with it? I want to know all these things. So how I will know that?
help command.
Yes, that is a
Or
correct answer. Help.
yeah.
Okay. There is another alternative for that. Mansi, can you tell me that another command?
Is it the name of that command then dash dash help?
No.
No.
Before the command, there is another command. Rajat, can you tell me?
Is it a manual man and command?
Correct. The command is man followed by the respective command to know the manual pages of the command, from which we can get how we have to use it, what are the different options associated with it. Please execute this man command and help command on any of your favorite commands. Everyone done with this? Can we move ahead? Yeah, Asawri has joined back. Asawri, can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, so my next question is, we have a file by the name introduction.txt, and I want to view the first 10 lines of that file only. What is the command for this?
First 10 lines, right?
Yeah. What would be the command? Asawri? Asawri, can you hear me? Okay, Prajot, can you answer this question? I want to view the first 10 lines only.
Head minus 10 and 5.
Sorry?
Head minus 10 and 5.
Okay, your answer is correct, but please remember, whenever anyone asks you, I want to view the first 10 lines, you just have to put in head as the command followed by the file name. By default, it will display you the first 10 lines. You don't have to provide any option for the number of lines you want to use. If you want to view 5 lines or 7 or 100, then you have to specify the number of lines you want to view. But specifically, if you want to view the 10 lines, then don't give any option. Yeah. Most of the interviewers ask you these types of questions to trick you so that they know if you know the particular topic in depth. So please execute this command on introduction.txt. List down the first 10 lines.
I actually have a question.
Yeah, go ahead.
So we made actually introduction.txt in our not root user, the EC2 user. So are we supposed to change back to EC2?
No, you don't have to change the root user.
Oh.
You don't have to change to EC2 user. I want you all to display the first 10 lines using the root user only. So what do you think? Will there be any problem viewing the file?
So I actually accidentally closed the EC2 like instance and I rebooted it again. But I'm able to see the commands that I executed until now. But I'm not able to see the file in my root user, so that's why I asked.
The file won't be at the root user. We created that file when we were signed in as EC2 user.
Yeah.
So it was created at which location? It must be created at different location, right? So what is the path of that location?
Will be /home/EC2 user.
Correct,
Then
correct. The home directory of local user.
yeah.
So now display the first 10 lines using the head command.
Okay.
Yeah. This question is to test you on your relative path or absolute path. That's why I don't want you to switch back to root EC2 user. Everyone else, have you completed this task? Okay, Prajot is done with it. What about Asawari, Avinash, Adnya? Have you guys executed this command?
Uh, like I used head, then the path. So slash
Yeah,
home slash EC2 user slash
correct.
introduction.txt.
Correct.
But it says cannot open the file, the path for reading.
Okay.
No, no
So
such
now, sorry.
permission.
Yeah. So now, before executing this command, I was expecting one question from you guys. Do we need to change the permission of that file? Can anyone of you tell me what is the default permission for a file whenever we create a file? What would be the default permission?
644.
Sorry,
644.
644. Is it correct, Prajo? Are you sure on it?
Yes.
Because we haven't changed the umask value still. So what would be the file permission? The file permission could be 664 as the local user created that file. If root user had created that file, then the permissions would be 644. You were partially correct. Yes. Now, are you guys able to execute that command or not? I'm expecting one more question from you.
One doubt I have. As we are in a root user and
Yes.
root is the super user.
Correct.
So still we are unable to like open that file.
Okay, so the local user has created the file, so we would be having 664 as permissions, right?
Yeah.
Now, right now, root is counted as other user. Other user is having read permission, but still you guys are not able to display it, correct?
Yes.
Now, what is the issue you're getting? So okay, answer simple question. From what topic is this question related to? Like right now, Avinash asked, he's still not able to open that file. So what topic is it related to? This
Type
error?
authorization and authentication or Linux
Correct.
permission.
So now we will look into permissions section. Okay. Now why I'm not able to access that file? So what do you think? What would be now? You have changed the permission. You have correct permissions on that file as well. Correct. Still, you are not able to open it. Now again, you have to look. Okay, these permissions are solved. What is the next set of permissions I need to change to access this file? What would it be?
As a owner, we already gave the read write execute permission for that file, right?
Correct. You have given the permissions. The file is having correct permissions because others are having read permissions, right? So
Yes.
what is
True.
the issue that you are facing? You're not able to read that file. I want you all to think upon this issue.
Is there anything related to owner?
Mm. Owner is the local user, right?
Yeah.
The permissions are clearly stating that you have read permissions. Still, you are not able to check the file content. What is the issue it's displaying? Are you all getting the same issue or is it different for everyone?
For me, I'm not getting any issue, but like it's not displaying me the content because it doesn't have any content yet.
Right, so it is displaying you, but as you don't have any content in that file, you're not able to check it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why I asked you to put 100 lines inside it.
Yeah.
Copy and paste. So Avinash, are you still facing the same issue?
Yes, I am facing cannot open the location for reading colon no such file or directory.
So that means you haven't created that file or directory, right?
No, but I have created
Okay, so what is your command?
head space slash home slash ec2 user slash
Yeah.
introduction.txt.
Okay, so still it's showing you don't have that file.
Yeah.
That's that is something fishy. Let's check. Okay, you have head space the file absolute path of that file, right?
Yeah. If you say I can share my screen.
Yeah, please share your screen.
Yeah. Please let me know once it's visible.
Yeah, it is visible. Now, to assess this error, let's check if the file is present in that respective directory or not. For that, we will use ls command followed by absolute path till the parent directory, that is EC2 user. So /home/EC2 user. Please use tab while
Yeah.
for completing the commands so that you won't get any incorrect path error. Okay. So what are the permissions on this file?
744, like for owner we have all the permissions, for group and others we have a read permission.
List down the permissions. Okay. So it has read, write, execute, read permission.
Yeah.
Now, do you think because of having execution permission, it isn't opening? Can there be any chance, as it is having execute permission, it isn't opening the file?
Like the owner have execute permission, that's why.
Yeah.
Uh, for reading it can open, I guess.
Yeah, it should open, right?
Yes.
But still it is not opening. So I'm also not getting why this error is plus. EC2 user head.
And
Is it empty? No, you're not getting, you are getting an error. Head cannot open EC2. You will have to give the complete path after
okay,
cat.
sorry.
Yeah.
I wrote like this.
Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, okay. So we have a file, it has content inside it. Still, we are not able to use head command.
Yeah. Cat we can use, but why not head?
I'm getting head followed by file name. Check it once. Give
No,
an
file
option of
name
hyphen. Give an option of -5.
-5.
Yeah, let's view first 5 lines inside it.
Okay.
After space after -5.
N is required or without N it will work.
Yeah, yeah, we can use it without n or with n right now. Just to be on, just to be sure, put in n before 5 space.
Ah.
Yeah, but
Now
it
it's
should
working.
work. Yeah, but it should work without an option as well. It should display the first 10 lines.
Like this. No?
Yeah, with just head. Yes, it is working.
No, you see here.
Yeah, what was the mistake? Head introduction of txt. Scroll down.
Spelling mistake.
EC2 minus user. Slash home EC2 minus
C is
user.
missing in the first command.
What is
Production.
missing?
C is missing in the first.
Where?
Which errors command?
Acha, oh. Actually, my keyboard have a
Yeah,
issue.
DUTI only. C was missing
Yeah,
only.
yeah, got it. No, no, actually, this keyword is there now. Sometimes it doesn't uh, get typed on.
Okay, no worries. So now we have displayed first 10 lines
Sorry, I wasted
successfully.
time.
Yeah, that's fine. We like we make a lot of these silly mistakes in Linux actually because we have to be careful with every dot, every special symbol, or every character. Yeah,
Actually,
and
this
after
keyboard
yeah,
have a issue. Yeah.
correct. Now let's move ahead. And Mansi, can you tell me what is the command to display the bottom 10 lines?
Um, tail,
Sorry,
the tail command.
correct. Now please everyone display the bottom 10 lines using the tail command.
Yeah. So for both head and tail, it's by default 10.
By default it is 10, and we can actually change this default value as well.
Okay.
Yeah,
How you can change?
sorry,
How you can change the value?
which value?
That
The
default.
tail.
You can do dash
Default
and then the
default value of head or tail.
Both.
Sorry.
For both.
Yeah, for both I guess we use iloc we use in Python. I'm not sure. I'll check and get back to you. But there is a command to change the default value as well. And we need to make changes in a particular file authentication doc from in where directly the file is located. I'll send the script for that after the session. Okay, so everyone has executed the tail command.
Yeah.
That's it. Now, what is the command to display current date and time?
Date command.
Uh, Prajot, what is the answer you are saying?
Is it date?
Correct. Date command is used to display the current date and time. Please execute that command. Nancy, can you tell me what is the command used to create a new user? And after that, I want to assign a password to it. So I want two commands from you to create a new user and assign a password. You're on mute, Mansi.
oh. So to create a new user, you use su dash the name of the user you are planning to create, and
What
to
is the
assign
command? Sorry,
su.
no, that we use that command to switch user, not to create a new user.
Oh,
Avinash,
sorry,
can you tell me?
SGID.
Sorry.
Sorry, I think so.
User add followed by the username, and then
Correct.
in next line password, followed by two times it asks for the password.
Correct. Now, to add an user, the command is user add. And to assign a password to that user, the command is passwd. Now, please create a user by your respective names, that is Mansi, Prajot, and Avinash, and assign a password to it. Prajot, do you have a question?
Oh, no.
Okay. Have you guys created the user and assigned the password? Now, Mansi, can you tell me the command to delete this user? I want to delete the local user, Mansi. What would be the command for it?
I don't remember.
It is very similar to what we use to add a user.
Remove.
Very similar to the command that we use to add user.
Remove or delete the user.
So quite
User
clear.
user.
Okay, Prajot, can you tell me the command?
Yeah, it is user del and user.
Correct. User del is the command. User delete. Please delete the respective users.
For me, I added a user, but
Yeah.
while like changing the password, nothing came, and when I corrected it, it's changing the password for a root user.
Can you share your screen and
All problem I only facing.
actually that's good because in learning Linux, whenever we get more errors,
Yeah.
we tend to learn more actually. Okay, there is a very silly mistake over here right now. Your system is not able to understand for which user you are trying to assign password.
Oh,
So it
actually,
is taking by default the root password. Just changing it.
so
So
Control
the
C,
command, no,
right?
so the
For
command,
about it.
yeah. So the command would be passwd followed by the username.
I tried this three combination, and all I have already. uh,
Now you can see you are able to assign a password.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah, welcome. Now,
So password also you can change like this. Okay.
root has the privilege to change password. Uh, any one of you can answer this question. Please list down all the 19 directories in Linux. Don't check notes, guys.
Uh,
Spit out the directory names that you remember.
temp,
Ls
home,
plus
ls, ll. Uh,
No. I want to directory names, not the command.
okay, this temp, home, that
Correct.
19. Yeah.
Correct. Those
Then
19 directories.
bin, bash, something alphabetical. Okay.
Prajot Mansi, can you complete?
Yes,
The list
like
of 19 directories.
Yeah, bin, sbin, home, root, temp, where, etc. For uh, then lib 64,
Mhm.
then mnt,
Correct. Go ahead.
then home.
Correct.
That's
Where media, Dave,
yeah,
proc,
dev,
SYS,
dev
SRB,
proc,
OPT, USR.
SRT.
Correct. So these are the 19 directories. So only 3 people are there today. Everyone else is facing network issue, I believe. Yeah, so let's wrap up now. I have gone through your test papers. Most of you have not performed well, actually. I was expecting a lot because we have revised these commands twice, I believe. And so I have decided that now you guys need to do homework as well after the session and email it to me. So today's homework is I want you all to execute all the commands inside user management chapter, user and group management chapter, and managing permissions chapter, and share your screenshots, terminal screenshots into a PDF format. Understood the assignment for today? Yeah, you have to execute each and every command inside user and group management and managing data, managing permissions chapter. Take a screenshot of every screen, create a PDF file and email it to me. Sounds good?
Okay.
Yeah.
yes.
Because these 2 chapters are very important in any Linux interview.
Yeah.
So please do that. Let's wrap up now. Thank you. Thank you for joining in today.
Do you
Now,
want screenshot
Yeah.
of today's history?
Sorry.
Do you want screenshot for today's history?
Yes, I don't want screenshot for today's history. I want you all to copy all the commands that we have executed, paste it inside a TXT file and email it to me.
Okay.
Thank you.
directly Control A, Control C will work here, or
Sorry. Yeah, it will
Control.
work, or you can, yeah, that will work, or you can use the right arrow, the right click also from your touchpad.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.